walk around. Now most of you, I'm impressed, most of you seem to be dressed okay. Like I think we're going to walk around for about 2 hours, and I think you're not going to actually melt or freeze from hypothermia. So you may be a little wet by the time you get back, but he's keeping the bus really warm, so I think we'll dry off the bus. So hopefully you don't mind getting a little bit wet as we walk around the countryside, and maybe it'll stop. Maybe it'll like it. So I want to introduce our two experts that have kindly come along. We have Jakob here in the orange raincoat, and Eleanor, and they're both from an organization called Natural England. How many of you from Natural England? Yeah. Yeah. So
Sure.
yeah, you can see that subject, yeah. So the brown vegetation up there is that how that's how it is, because in the summer that would be nice pretty purple flowers, but now this time of year it's brown. But when we carry on up the road, we'll see that we're actually going to be in that kind of habitat, aren't we? Yeah. So by the time we get to the top, we'll be in an area that's that sort of brown vegetation, and we'll be able to look at it more closely. And you'll see, I think we'll be able to see the soil a bit too, like the thin soils and the peat, kind of this organic material, this peat. So we're going to see that further up here.
I heard that some area in the UK was invaded by rhododendron quite intensely.
Yes.
Do you think like this area also have a same difficulty?
Rhododendron? We might see. I think we might, when we come down the other side, we might see some rhododendrons.
I know.
Yeah.
I see. Because like
It's in
Right,
woodlands.
because like I put like lots of rhododendron in 2020 when I work in the ground team in the UK, like
Oh,
so
did
like,
you?
it
You
was
were-
quite like
Oh, you were one
tough.
of these people, yeah.
Yes,
kind of
I
trying to
am.
battle
I was.
battle the rhododendrons, yes, battling those invasive species. Yeah, it's a tough battle, that one. But yeah, so you'll look out for them. You know what they look like. I think we might see them when we come back down, because basically we're going up to the top and then we're coming back down the other side.
Anu, you have a paparazzi here.
You see all like old sand dunes, like prehistoric sand dunes,
Yeah.
and then gets obviously compressed and
Yeah.
it becomes rock. But that's why you've got these diagonal, because it's when you have the sand dunes, the wind deposits the sand like these shapes. You've got the layer and layer and layer and layer.
So it's yeah.
You also have got like some sandstone, more like old rivers origin. So the water deposited sand grains and yeah.
Does it take like very long time to be like?
Yeah, that would be. I mean, I don't know about my geology.
This is
what
like
kind, but
is this Carboniferous here? When I was reading the book, the thingy, it mentioned about Carboniferous layers, which are like 350 million years ago. I don't know if these are that old or not.
maybe slightly younger. I don't know, but maybe Carboniferous. Yeah, maybe.
We got the
But still, that's
see how they show here the sort of layers too, right? We have shale with sandstone on top, coal, limestone. But here we could be looking at that's the shale and the sandstone bit. Yeah, formation of layered carboniferous. What do you notice about the hillside over there? The hill with the brown on it. What's kind of strange about that? Yeah, do you see the patches? like a grouse moor. So they ruined sections of it to make the habitat more conducive to the grouse. Because the grouse like the fresh, newly growing heather. So that's very typical management up there. So they do these birds. So the landowner makes a lot of money from people coming to shoot grouse. It's for very wealthy people. I don't know how people shoot grouse. Hundreds, thousands to go out for a day. Thousands to go out for a day and shoot a few grouse. I don't understand.
Do you think this land is like private sector or is it public one?
That's privately
Oh,
owned
private,
land.
yeah,
It'll be
okay.
some, what is it? Is it the Duke or is it Lord Allen?
Oh wow.
That's Lord Allendale. So that's Snapping Lord Allendale. There's the red sign.
Are you happy to touch my hair?
Yeah.
Hello.
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 Ah.